Hello friends, today we have to discuss some mathematical trick about algebra, right? So question is on the board. First question, that is 2x plus 3 that equal to 9. We have to calculate 3x plus 2 value. So 2x plus 3 is given. So now you have to 2x plus 3 that equal to 9. So 2x plus 3 when side change, this will be minus 3. So 2x is equal to 6. Now x is equal to 6 by 2, that means 3. X value we have to confirm now. So just put the value, then find out the answer, that is 3x plus 2 is how much. So 3 into 3 plus 2, that means 11, right? Is that clear? So this is the simple question, very simple question. So you to now go to the next question, right? Next question is on the blackboard. You see y is given that equal to 2x minus 1 by x plus 3, and y is also given, right? Y is equal to 1. Our asking question is x is how much? X is how much? Very simple question. How you have to solve? Just put the value y. Y value 1, so make it 1. So now 2x minus 1 by x plus 3. So now cross multiplication. So x plus 3 into 1 in the sense x plus 3 and is equal to 2x minus 1. Now 2x minus x is equal to 3 plus 1. So it becomes x is equal to 4. This is your answer. Very simple. Now come to the next one. Question number 3. Question number 3 is your x minus 5 whole square is equal to 0. Asking question is 5x is how much? Okay, x minus 5 whole square is equal to 0. In a sense, you can write also x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to when side change minus 5, that means plus 5. So you have to calculate 5x, in the sense 5 into 5, that means 25 is your answer, right? Next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is your a plus 6 whole square plus b plus 6 whole square plus c minus 2 whole square. This is a minus 16. A minus 16 whole square plus b plus c whole square plus c minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. And we have to find out here a plus b by c is what, right? This is your question. A minus 16 whole square plus b plus 6 whole square plus c minus 3 whole square is equal to 0, and requiring part is your a plus b by c is how much? Very simple. We can solve, right? A minus 16 that equal to 0. So a is equal to what? Plus 16. In the same way, b plus 6 that equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 6. C minus 2 is equal to 0. So c is equal to plus 2. So now a, b, c we find out. So just put the value in the question. Requiring part a plus b by c. In the sense what? When you have to find out a plus b by c, that means a is your what? A is your 16 plus b minus 6 by 2, that means 10 by 2, that means is your what? 5. So answer is 5, right? Very simple answer. We just put the value. Then come to question number 5. How you to find out? Another question in algebraic part, algebraic trick. Question number 5. Question number 5 is your 2a minus 3 whole square plus 3b minus 5 whole square plus 4c minus 7 whole square is equal to 0. So our question is Our requiring part is your 4a plus 3b plus 4c, right? Upon root over is how much? Okay, 4a plus 3b plus 4c root over is how much? Same type answer, same pattern. You can consider here 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a we have to find out. A is what? Minus 3 when side change become plus 3 and multiply 2, it will be divided. So 3 by 2. In the same way, 3b minus 5 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 5 by 3 and 4c minus 7 is equal to 0. So c is equal to 7 by 4. So a, b, c confirm. Now just find out the value. That one is your requiring part 4a plus 3b plus 4c. In the sense what? Root over. So 4a, 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 into 5 by 3 plus for C 4 into 7 by 4 root over, right? So here 2 2 4, so 3 2 6 plus 3 3 cancel, 5 plus 4 4 cancel, 7 root over. So is your 18 root over, 18 root over, right? You may write 18 or it is written as also 3 root 2. Why it is 3 root 2? Because when 18 will be there, if you have to, then 3 6 3 2. So 3 will be double. So out of 2 3, 1 3 will be considered, then root over 2. So 3 root 2. Clear? This is also a question. Then come to the next question. Question number 6 now. Next part is your question number 6. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2. It is given. We have to find out here, that is to be x to the power 17 by 1 by x to the power 19 is how much, right? When x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, when plus is there, at that time you have to consider x is equal to what? When plus will be there, x is equal to 1, and when minus will be there, x is equal to minus 1. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. In the sense we have to consider here x is equal to 1. So put the value just 1. 1 to the power 17 plus 1 to the 1 by 1 to the power 19. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Because 1 to the power 17 in the sense 1. And 1 by 1 to the power 19. 1 to the power 19 in the sense 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 1 1 2. Right? You can consider in this way. If it will be another question like is your x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, asking question is root x plus 1 by root x is how much, right? So it is also easy because we consider as x plus 1 by x. When 2 it is given, at that time we have to consider x is equal to 1. So 1 root over plus 1 upon 1 root over, that means 1 plus 1, that equal to 2, right? This is your part of solution. Another question we have to consider here, 8 number question. Like is your a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a minus 5 is equal to 7. And here asking question is a q minus 1 by a minus 5 to the power q is how much, right? When a is given, you try to convert it into the format like is your x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So you have to consider here, see, a minus 5 plus 1 by a minus 5 is equal to 7 minus 5. The format you have to consider here, a minus 5 plus 1 by a minus 5 is equal to 2, right? So we have to consider here in format. So a minus 5, in the sense you can consider here 1 by sorry, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, right? So in that case what happen, x is equal to 1, right? Then we have to find out x is equal to 1. What is x? X in the sense a minus 5. So we have to consider a minus 5 is equal to 1, right? Then you have to find out the value. If you have to consider here x in the sense a minus 5 is equal to 1, so a is equal to 6, because minus 5 when side change it will be 6 plus 5, so 1 plus 5 6. Now you have to find out the value of aq minus 1 by a minus 5 q. So aq in the sense 6q minus 1 by 6 minus 5q, right? So 6q is how, what is your value? 6q 216. 6q value is your 216 minus 6 minus 5 1, 1 q 1, so 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 216 minus 1, that equal to 215. This is another trick, right? So next, come to the next question. Next question is your x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 0. So make it into the system in a format. X plus 1 by x is equal to what? Minus 2. I am giving you that when x plus 1 by x is equal to plus 2, at that time you always you have to take x is equal to 1. But when it is to be minus 2, then minus 1. So x is blindly you have to take minus 1. Then put the value, then whatever may be the answer. Question: x to the power 8 minus 1 by x to the power 6. Asking question. So here x in the sense minus 1 to the power 8 minus 1 by minus 1 to the power 6. Right? So answer is what? Minus 1 to the power 8 in the sense positive. When minus 1 power your 8 in a sense it will be even number, at that time it will be plus 1. So 1 by 1, that means what? It is 0, right? This is a question also. So you can consider this type of format, this type, then we can find out the answer. This is a very trick applicable in the algebra, right? So if you really interested my videos, then please subscribe, share and like it, right? Okay, thank you.